Respected parents, students, good morning everybody. How are you? Okay. I hope that you all are fine. I am also fine. Previously, we all are discussed about the lesson our Earth. Earth is one of the planet in the solar system. Earth which we live along plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. Earth is a blue planet because water is available only on the earth. So earth is a blue planet. The relevance of the earth divided into four types. How many types? Four types. The relevance on the earth divided into four types: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. How many types? Four types. Once again, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere and biosphere. Okay, lithosphere, the solid crust on the earth surface covered is called lithosphere. Okay, earth is covered hard rocks and mountains, plateaus. These are belongs to lithosphere. Lithosphere is derived from Greek word lithos and spira. Lithos and spira. Lithos means hard rocks. Spira means sphere. That means ball. That means in Telugu avarana. Lithosphere. Lithos and spira are the two Greek words. Lithos and spira. Lithos means hard rocks. Spira means sphere. Okay, like a ball. Plateaus, mountains, hills. These are covered on the surface with hard rocks. These hard rocks are belongs to lithosphere. Next one, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, the reliance on the water. The reliance on the water is called hydrosphere. The reliance of the water is also known as hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is consists on the earth like rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. Okay, water is available in the water is available on the earth two types: surface water resources and underground water resources. So, water available on the earth is also known as hydrosphere. Another meaning of hydrosphere means water surrounding on the earth is called a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is also derived from the two Greek words Hoder and Spira. Hoder and Spira. Hoder means water. Spira means sphere. That means water bodies. On the earth, water is available 21%. 21% covered with the water. Here, 21% of water available, nearly 99%, 99.7% water available into the oceans. Remaining available are rivers, lakes, tanks, canals, ponds, etc. Water is the essential for human beings. Another one is atmosphere. Another one is atmosphere. Air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. The thin layer of the atmosphere, the thin layer of air is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere is consists of numerous gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, etc. Nearly 71% available in atmosphere nitrogen. Remaining percentage 28% is oxygen, 1% is available inert gases like in react gases like argon, hexon, neon, krypton, etc. Atmosphere is essential for human being. It is also very helpful to human beings. Why? Because oxygen is available in the atmosphere. Oxygen are recorded as a breath of the life. Which is the breath of the life? Oxygen are recorded as a breath of the life. So the atmosphere is essential for the human beings. The atmosphere it is also derived from into the two Greek words, atmos and spira. Atmos and spira. Atmos mean air, thin air. Spira mean sphere. That mean air surrounding on the earth is known as the atmosphere. Atmosphere is consist of into the numerous gases. Next another one is biosphere. Biosphere, all living beings on the earth which we live is known as biosphere. All human beings which we live on the earth is known as biosphere. It is also derived from into the two Greek words, bios and spira. Bios and spira. Bios mean living. Bios mean living organism. Spira mean sphere. That mean living beings on the earth is known as biosphere. Okay, how many type of relance of the earth? How many type of relance on the earth? How many types of realms of the earth? There are 4 types. Okay, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. What remember? Atmosphere, air surrounding on the earth is known as atmosphere. Now going to another topic is landforms. Landforms. Okay, on the earth is covered different type of in the landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. These are called major landforms on the earth. And also earth is covered oceans and continents. So that type landforms will be divided into the 3 types. How many types? 3 types. What are they? First order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms. First order landforms, second order landforms, and third order landforms. First order landforms, oceans, continents all belongs to first order landforms. Like how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America. Okay? Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. So, how many continents? 7 continents. These 7 continents belongs to first order landforms. Oceans. How many oceans? 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these 5 oceans and continents belongs to first order landforms. First order landforms, oceans and continents are belongs to first order landforms. Next one is second order landforms. Mountains, plateaus belongs to mountains, plateaus and plains or belongs to second order landforms. Second order landforms. Order second order landforms: mountains, plateaus and plains. These are belongs to second order landforms. What is a mountain? Above the height of 800 meters. It is covered with hard rocks. It is called a mountains. So mountains, plateaus, plains all belongs to second order landforms. For example, Himalayan mountains, Andes mountains, Atlas mountains, Alps mountains, Rocky mountains belongs to second order landforms. Second order landforms. Now going to third order landforms. What are third order landforms? What are third order landforms? Wind and air process formed lands are called third order landforms. Okay, once again, air and water and winds mixed are called, mixed landforms are called third order landforms. Air, wind, mixed landforms are called third order landforms. Okay, Himalayan mountains are belongs to which order landforms? First order landforms. Bison George, third order landforms. Indian Ocean belongs to first order landforms. So, how many type of landforms? There are three type of landforms. How many types? Three type of landforms. First order landforms, second order landforms and third order landforms.
ఆపేనా
How many minutes?
13:23 seconds. 13 minutes 20. రన్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Carry. Next, plates. Plates and plates tectonics. How are formed the plates? Plates are formed. Plates are formed the oceans, continents, actively situated on the massive base of the rocks is called plates. There are 6 major plates on the earth. These are African, North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Antarctic, Eurasian and Pacific plates. How many type of major plates on the earth surface? There are 6 types. Okay, what are they? North American, South American, Indo-Australian, Antarctic and Eurasia Pacific plates. These are the major plates on the formed the earth surface. The movement of plates, always plates are to pushed into mantle, while other plates are pushed into the chain of the mountains. It is called plate tectonics. Okay, plate tectonics. Okay, plate tectonics means technos means carpenter or builder. The technos means carpenter or builder. Okay, it is derived from into the Sanskrit related word plate tectonics. Next, another topic is slow movement and sudden movement of the earth. Earth will be two type of movements. It is a slow movement. The slow movement to form to eruption of the volcanoes. The sudden movement of the earth is called earthquakes. Volcanoes and earthquakes, these are the two type of movements. Volcanoes are slow movements and earthquakes are sudden movements. While eruption of the volcanoes to come into the ash, dust, cedar, magma, etc. is coming from into the inner layers of in the mountains. Important volcanoes are the world: Mount Strawberry in Sicily, Mount Pelee in West Indies, Mount Fujian in Japan, Cotopaxi, Ecuador, Mayan, Philippines, Barren and Narcodam Islands in India, Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. These are the most important volcanoes on the world. Almost of all volcanoes and earthquakes are to around the Pacific Ocean edges. So the Pacific Ocean always it is a hazard. Hazard means very dangerous place. So it is also known as Pacific Ring of the Fire. Okay, Pacific Ring of the Fire. Water and air transport to the surface of the earth one place to another place. The air transportation or weathering, erosion, transportation or deposition. These formation of into the surface to move to one place to another place. Next, glacier. Glacier means slow movement. Glacier means slow moving of mass of ice is called glacier. Glaciers are formed of high mountains like Himalayan mountains, Alps, Andes, Atlas mountains. It is a very high mountains in the world. So these places formed the glaciers. The glaciers are a very slow movement. These water, these glaciers are melting into water to drain away to nearest rivers. The largest delta in the world is Sundarban Delta. Where is Sundarban Delta? It is in the West Bengal. It is the largest delta in the world formed the nearest to glaciers. Great students, I meet you later class. Thank you very much.